So a lot of people ask this, and even more people try to kind of get me in a gotcha saying, wouldn't the space between atoms where there's nothing be even colder? And the simple answer is no. And here's why. Temperature is defined as motion in particles. And since matter and energy are basically interchangeable, you need matter or energy for there to be temperature. If there was a void with no matter and no energy, it's not that it would be incredibly cold, it's that temperature wouldn't exist. Like, temperature is a measurement of how much particles vibrate, and if there's no particles, there's nothing to vibrate. Think of it like this. Say that I come to you and I say, how heavy is this dumbbell? And then I hold my hand out to you and I have nothing in it. Would you say that's the lightest dumbbell in the world, or would you say, what are you, crazy? There's no dumbbell there. It's the same thing for temperature. Stuff has temperature. Void has no temperature. It doesn't have a low temperature, it has no temperature. It's not at absolute zero, it has no temperature. It doesn't have that quality. And the reason why we say the void of space has temperature is because the void of space isn't really void. It not only has the cosmic microwave background radiation, it also has basically a very, very thin layer of space dust. And I'm talking super thin and like only very simple particles like helium and hydrogen, because these were the basic elements that were made during the Big Bang. And that's what we have to account for whenever we say send deep space probes on long missions, because stuff like that will accumulate as it contacts the probe. So yeah, space has a temperature because there's stuff in it. If you were talking about areas of space where there were literally nothing in it, when there was no matter and no energy, there wouldn't be any temperature either.